Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Word for Mac and picking a template or a blank document. Do that now. Once done, set page size, margins, and orientation so your layout matches the final use. This avoids rework. Make sure to enable autosave and choose OneDrive or a local folder. Name the file immediately so versioning is simple. You'll also set default font and styles early. That saves time when you paste or import content later. You'll now build structure and apply consistent formatting. Start by applying Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3 styles to create a logical outline. This helps navigation and table of contents generation. Next, insert images, tables, and smart art. Use text wrapping and add alt text for accessibility. Once content is in, enable track changes and add comments when collaborating. Use the review pane to accept or reject edit. Finish by inspecting the document for metadata and accessibility issues. Run Accessibility Checker and Document Inspector before sharing. Export to PDF for distribution or keep docx for ongoing edits. Preview on another device to verify layout and fonts. When collaborating, save a final copy and manage permissions in OneDrive. If things go wrong, styles look broken, or file behaves oddly, copy the content into a new document or reset styles. That usually clears corruption and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.